you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best everyday morning and night skincare routine. So here we go.
Here I'm showing the facial brush which comes with the power buttons, like you can keep it low or higher, which is having a replaceable batteries, which comes with a spinner with the 4 attachments. Firstly, I'm showing you the soft sponge which helps to cleanse the face to prepare for moisturizing or the nourishing. And the second one is a sandpaper attachment, or it is also called as like a pumice, which helps to exfoliate and polish. And the next one is a soft brush, which is again used for the exfoliation of the dead skin cells. And this is my favorite, that is having a 4 bits. It is used for the massager. Here I'm using the soft sponge to cleanse my face. It helps to get rid of dirt and oil on your face using a cleanser. This cleanses your face to prepare for moisturizing and nourishing, and also you can use the sponge on your eyes and cheeks. Make sure to wet all the attachments before you use. Next, I'm using the scrub. In this video, I'm using the Lotus Apres scrub. Take a little bit quantity and then start applying it on your face. Be gentle with the scrub. Use it for about 2 minutes. At least try it at least once a week. If you have a more dead skin cells, you can try twice a week. The scrub helps to exfoliate and remove the dead skin cells, and also absorbs the excess oil and brightening even the most sensitive skin. And the next, I'm using the soft brush. Make sure to wet it before you use. The brush, you can see, is not that soft, so be gentle when you're applying it, when you're using it on your face. This brush helps to exfoliate the dead skin cells, and it helps you to give the radiant skin. Do not go close to your eyes. For massaging, you can use any of the essential oils like a lavender grapeseed oil or falsali oil or a cetaphil moisturizer. In this video, I'm taking the CeraVe moisturizer and I'm mixing with the lavender oil. Take a little bit quantity of moisturizer and mix 3 to 4 drops of essential oil, any of your choice. Mix it well together and apply it on your face.
Good.
And next, I'm using the massager tool. This helps to massage your skin. Do it at least for about 10 to 15 minutes for proper results.
have any doubts regarding the skincare routine. And don't forget to hit that smash button. If you are a new follower, do subscribe to my channel. Till the next video, take care, bye bye, good night.